Welcome! In this video, I will demonstrate how to access and configure Secure Print Plus and Secure Print Advanced with Active Directory on a Brother device. Secure Print Plus and Secure Print Advanced descriptions. Please watch the video linked on the screen and in the description of this video. In this demonstration, we are discussing Secure Print Plus and Advanced with Active Directory. We will now look at some key points for Active Directory on a Brother device. Active Directory authentication on a Brother device enhances security by requiring the users to enter their AD credentials to access the device. When enabled, the device's control panel is locked until the user provides their AD user ID and password. This ensures that only authorised personnel can change settings or retrieve printed documents which are securely stored in the chosen memory until collected. AD authentication supports single sign-on (SSO), allowing users to use the same credentials across multiple devices. Administrators can manage and access centrally through the AD console, streamlining their user management and enhancing security. Prior to setting up Secure Print Plus and Advanced, you will need to activate the license for the relevant product within BR Admin Professional. If you haven't done this already, I have linked a video on the screen and in the description to assist you with this process. If you have completed and configured this, you can continue with this demonstration. At this stage, you have seen the differences between Secure Print Plus and Advanced, and we have gone through some key points in relation to AD on a Brother device. Now let's look at the configuration. Open your internal web page of your Brother device, also known as the IWP. Enter the password and log in to your IWP. Once logged in, you will be on the status page. Select Administrator from the menu on the left. Under Administrator, select Restriction Management. Restriction Management is where the user restriction function options are set. Currently, this is set to off and no restrictions are being applied. Select Active Directory Authentication. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Select Submit. Submit OK in green will now be at the top of the page. Now you will notice an additional menu has appeared under Restriction Management. Select Active Directory Authentication. This is where you will configure your Active Directory authentication settings. Select On for Storage PC Print Data. This will store any sent jobs into the relevant storage area. Select On here if you want the users to see a list of jobs that they have sent to the Brother device. Select On if the device has fax capabilities and you want all fax jobs received to be authenticated by the user. If off is selected, fax jobs will print on receiving. This selection is dependent on what you'd like the LCD to do after a user has logged on or off. Enter the server address here in this field, and this can either be an IP address or the FQDN of the server. Enter the domain name of your server into this field. Select your authentication method from the drop-down menu. The method chosen will depend on which protocol is needed. Scroll to the bottom of the page. In this field, you will select your security level. Your port number will change depending on your last choice. These are standard port numbers and can be changed if alternative port numbers are needed. If you know the search route, you can enter it in the first field. If unsure, select Fetch DNs and your search route will appear in the drop-down arrow. Remember, we are now using AD, so therefore you do not need to use OUs, organisational units. This is only for LDAPs. The last two options are down to how you want to use certain features. If you want the user to access their email, select On. If you want them to access their home directory, also select On here. If you haven't set up these 3 link sections, please go through and set up each one. SNTP for timing, CA certificate if you are using the Verify certificate option when selecting your security level. And finally, the panel timeout after a user has finished with the Brother device. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Select Submit at the bottom of the page. Select Administrator from the menu on the left. Now select Stored Print Jobs. Under Stored Print Jobs is where you will need to set up the rules for the stored print jobs when using Secure Print Plus for automatic deletion of all uncollected print jobs. First, you need to turn on this feature by selecting On. Depending on your requirements, you will set up the frequency you would like all stored jobs to be deleted, either in days or hours. Under Priority, you can decide what is deleted as a priority. You can select Stored Jobs or New Jobs. This section is showing you the data in relation to the capacity. Scroll down the page. Total remaining availability. See all uncollected jobs, select the link here. Under Stored Jobs, you can see a list of all print jobs waiting to be collected and printed. We have now configured all the settings from the IWP. Let's briefly look at the user's view from a Brother device. This is where the user would log into the device either using a pre-programmed NFC card or using their single sign-on details. In this demonstration, we are using an NFC card. Now the user is logged onto the device and ready to use. This now completes the demonstration. Secure Print Plus and Advanced with AD on a Brother device. Thank you for watching.